3, 2, 1.
Which term refers to a situation where supply cannot meet demand? The answer is D, glut. What kind of creature named Topper does Kris Kringle meet on his journey in the Christmas classic Santa Claus is Coming to Town? The answer is D, penguin. Which of these is not one of Jacob's 12 sons? The answer is D, Ephraim. What is the name of the mermaid character from Disney's 1989 animated movie The Little Mermaid? The answer is B, Ariel. What is the The answer is D, Camille. Which action has most helped scientists find cures to some diseases? The answer is B, learning about bacteria. Which of these terms are used for a person who is responsible for or oversees the work done by others? The answer is A, all of these. Which city is known as the City of Sails? The answer is C, Auckland. Which vehicle has the iconic design of a double-decker bus? The answer is B, Leyland Titan. Who is the only player to score in 5 World Cups? The answer is A, Miroslav Klose. What is the tallest vehicle ever built? The answer is C, telescopic handler. In what type of process does heat flow into its surroundings and cause an increase in kinetic energy? The answer is A, exothermic process. Which citrus fruit has seeds?
The answer is C, grapefruit.
What is the largest truck brand in the U.S.? The answer is B, Peterbilt. Which theory is the idea that the characteristics of living organisms are controlled by genes, which are passed from parents to their offspring? The answer is D, gene theory. I'm a president who is also an actor. Who am I? The answer is A, Ronald Reagan. What is the fundamental unit of energy? The answer is B, joules. What is the result of 12 divided by 4? The answer is C, 7. Who voices Peter Griffin in the animated show Family Guy? The answer is A, Seth MacFarlane. Which dwarf planet was once considered the ninth planet? The answer is B. Pluto. What is the Native American drink called associated within the Native American tradition? The answer is B. Purification. What are seamounts that rise above the water surface called? The answer is B. Islands. What is a force that opposes motion? The answer is D. Friction. Alchemists were in search of panacea. What is panacea? The answer is C. Remedy for all ailments. You are now the captain of a German boat and you take tourists down the river Danube. Which European capitals can you visit? The answer is C. Bratislava, Vienna, Budapest, Belgrade. What is a group of butterflies called? The answer is A. Swarm. Which star is our closest neighbor in the Milky Way galaxy?
The answer is A. Proxima Centauri.
The English word for the Spanish word corazon is what? The answer is D. Heart. What would be the result of adding one proton to an atom? The answer is B. The atomic number would change. What is the name of artificial barriers that people build to protect shorelines? The answer is C. Breakwaters. What is the product of the first three powers of 2? The answer is A. 8. The monster of the Andes, as Pedro Lopez is known, terrorized Ecuador, Peru, and Colombia. How many people did he victimize? The answer is C. More than 300. What is the term for an expression showing the relationship of the reaction rate to the concentrations of each reactant? The answer is C. Rate law. This person ate 7,000 Big Macs in a decade. What is he? The answer is C. World record holder. If you are stationed in Germany, you will not be on a post, but most likely on which of the following? The answer is D. Kasern. How many Emmys did American actress Deborah Messing win for Will and Grace? The answer is B. 1. Which of the following is not a fundamental force? The answer is D. Weak nuclear force. Which best describes construction technology? The answer is C. Building and finishing a structure. What is sushi made from? The answer is D. Nori seaweed. What is the meaning of the phrase Nani Mau, the name of the beautiful and enormous botanical gardens on the island of Hawaii? The answer is B. Forever beautiful. What happens to a tectonic plate when it subducts? The answer is D. It melts. One of Cosmo's dearest friends is Bob Sacamano. In how many episodes of Seinfeld does he appear? The answer is D. 0. Catabolic and anabolic hormones in the body help regulate these? The answer is A. Metabolic processes. The capital of England is? The answer is B. Dublin. What holds multiple sheets of paper together? The answer is D. Binder. Which TV show aired its first episode on March 9, 1963, and was named after a Roman god? The answer is A. Bewitched. What can most likely be seen without the aid of a telescope on a clear night? The answer is A. The Milky Way galaxy. What did the name Albion refer to? The answer is D. Great Britain. Which phrase refers to a costly victory that results in losses so high as to make you wonder whether it was worth it? The answer is C. Pyrrhic victory. The highest peak in the European Union is Mount Blanc, but which country does it belong to?